Today we'll look at how to create root sum square results using result combination. Here we have a model that we've created with multiple subcases and multiple solutions. Here we'll begin by loading the results. And then we'll go into result combinations. And if you don't see that on the result toolbar, you may need to go to roles and activate content role advanced, and that will show you all of the icons and functions in the various toolbars. So we'll go to combination and we'll run through the entire dialog. Here we'll select export, which will create a new result. Here we'll select the solution that we'd like to make the combination of, and we could use multiple ones. Next we'll select the load case, we'll select all load cases and the result type, and then we'll say add specified type to list, and that will create expressions for each of the load cases for displacement. Next we have formula, which we'll get back to in just a moment, but here we can select the unit system that we'd like from the existing solutions. Error handling, we'll keep that as skip. Create result will be companion, and then we'll select which result we'd like to add the companion to. So we'll select solution 1. We'll give it a name of RSS, and we'll say load immediately, create new load case. We also need to specify a universal file name, and then the result type. And here we'll give it a name and a load case also of RSS displacement. Now, lastly, we'll create the formula, and here's where we'll take the square root of the sum of the squares of the displacements. Here you can see that automatically will add the new subcase and load it, and we can review those results. Here you can see the result for x, y, z, and magnitude. And that's how to create root sum square results with result combination.